between the honorable members and your team. He mentioned about the division that is there in the house, but himself, he can't go on that side. And any document that you want to table in this house, it must go through the House Business Committee for them to come on the floor of the House. And you can't do it when you are there. It must be done when you are in the plenary. So it's only another member who can bring a report in the House. The only thing that I can do to help at this juncture, Mutuma, is that we are going to make a reference to the answer systems because everything is being captured. So when you talk knowing that we shall only rely on the answer system. Thank you. You can proceed.
My understanding then, Mr. Speaker, sir, is that we will not be allowed to table the evidence that we have. Just for clarity purposes.
Mutuma, yes. How will you table it?
I just want you.
No, I'm asking you. Yes. I am asking you.
Yes.
Dustan Omari said it very clear. It's not me who said it. That there is a division that is there, and that's why you are sitting there. You cannot proceed on the other side. You didn't come through the main door. You came through this door. So now, Mutuma, how will you move to that where the miss is? And you are not an honorable member, you are not an MC, not unless you tell me an MC for Kirwanari. Then I'll agree on that.
And that's my word, Mr. Speaker. Kirwanari is my word.
Yes, but you are not the MC.
But the question I'm asking is that you invited the governor to appear before you, answer to certain allegations and counts. She has evidence in response to your allegations. My hope was that you would guide me on how that evidence is supposed to be produced and utilized by the House.
Mutuma,
I am a stranger in this House.
Mutuma,
so the rules should be able to guide me.
Mutuma,
yes.
Even the members, they cannot read a document when they are there and read that document. That is the procedure.
Mr. Speaker, sir, with all due respect, then I wish to be guided on how to provide.
We have said on Mutuma that we are going to rely on the answer system. So whatever presentation that you make, please ensure it is captured.
Most of
and that's why I asked Dustan Omari, my good brother, how many hours do you want? He said 2.5 hours. That's the procedure. Please continue.
Thank you so much. May we then have the ruling on whether the matters are sub judice or not before we can proceed on the substantive issue.
Mr. Speaker, sir, to finalize on that question of PO, look at the allegations of contempt against court orders. Does this parliament have, does this assembly have the powers to punish contempt of a court or the court that a contempt was committed?
Dustan, I did allow you to be on the floor.
Oh.
I let Mutuma on the floor. I'm the speaker.
Apologies, Mr. Speaker, sir. Kindly allow me to finalize on that question in 2 minutes.
No, I need to answer Mutuma first and then you can continue. Mutuma, I cannot make a ruling on that issue. But the only way I can help you is that apart from the answer system, you can leave. After this, you can leave the document with the clerk. I think that is acceptable now.
Yes, that's
thank you. You can continue then. Dustan, now if you want to continue, you can continue. Yes.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I was raising still on the questions of law. Article 165 creates the judiciary to be independent of the Constitution. It gives it the power to punish by the law of contempt. It does not bestow that powers to the account assembly. If there is contempt of a governor